Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to change your Spotify username in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Spotify on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on the edit icon below your profile picture. Here you can edit the username. Type the username that you want. Then tap on Save at the top right after you're satisfied. And that is how to change Spotify username. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.